Doggy wash.
Yeah. It's a. You gotta go. Oh, it's the next one. That's two. Is that two at once?
Same store.
No, it ain't.
It's the cat and dogs.
The dog wash. Dog wash. I love that shit. What's that one?
Parking.
Oh, it's a parking garage? What is that one? A gym?
So I'm surprised if they don't.
A gymnasium.
A gym.
It says a gymnasium. I like the dentist sign. That's the best. He must still be open. He's got his doors open. So, I don't know if you hear. The guy pulls up. Oh. And he's screaming, gas. And he goes here and he asks this guy if he wants gas. And he says, no, not today, tomorrow. And they pulled up in the gas truck, like kind of like a milkman. It's pretty cool. So, I don't know. I think that's the coolest thing ever. You hear him? Yeah! I guess he comes every day, though. Ain't that right, Jackie? What you drinking there, girl?
How do you say plum?
A banana liquido. It's called a.
Platana?
It's called a. Hold on. Platano.
How's it?
Platano liquidos.
It's delicious.
Yes, it is. I'm about to get quesadillas too. We got some other good stuff right here. We got like the Vampira, Manzana. I like the orange ones too, though. Kind of like old milk cans too, huh?